All right, g'day guys, welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be about Giraffe Tools. What I've been using for maybe the last probably couple of months. And I bought this one. It was unbelievable, retractable 30-meter hose. Unbelievable on cleaning the bikes, the cars and stuff like that. But Giraffe Tools have actually sent me the bigger, more powerful one and the vacuum, retractable vacuum. So we're gonna do an unboxing here in a minute. But I absolutely love these guys' product and how easy it is. You know, pain in the ass to get hold of a pressure washer and wrap the cord up, wrap everything up, and then you end up just sort of not using it. Where this thing, I can clean the whole shed and my bikes and my cars and stuff like here in my little wash bay, as you can see, with all my rocks and all that sort of stuff, because I haven't put any turf down. This thing works amazingly, but we've got the bigger and better one now, the newer one, so we're gonna go unbox that, and then also the vacuum. Once I wash everything out here, I can bring it in there and then use a retractable vacuum, not only to vacuum the cars, but to vacuum my shed, which is awesome, because this dog has got so much bloody hair, it is everywhere. So we're gonna leave that one there for now, but we're gonna go do an unboxing. The Hilux is getting used as a bit of a storage component at the minute. This is the vacuum. We'll do it over here. Oh, here's a knife I prepared earlier. Right, let's start with this thing. Yeah, here we are. Pressure Washer Pro, because I'm a pro. I reckon we still might be able to use those mounts. Yeah, that's enough of that. No, I'll have a proper look, don't you worry. All big bolts on these ones. All your little nozzles. That's the foam bucket. So we'll put all this stuff over here on my very decluttered bench. Nozzle. Whoa, have a go at that thing. It's actually like massive, isn't it? Instead of undoing that one, I can just connect that one, because I'm gonna take that one down to the warehouse. So we have one here, one at the warehouse. How good's that? Weapon. Owen. Oh, and just like that. Perfect. There's a lot of hose there. I'm gonna be able to get all the way around the shed by look at that. How good. What we do is, just unwind this. What's the hole I got in my pants and my groin? Don't zoom in. Otherwise I know you're a creep. I'm selling this later. We might be all right then. Yeah, I reckon we'll be sweet. I was thinking that was going to be a lot bigger. Ha, bloody perfect. So what we'll do is we'll get some tools and we'll rip this one off and we'll put this one on. It's as easy as that. They make it easy, these guys. I tell you right now, what we'll do is we'll pull the little cover off it. Look good down the other warehouse.
So civic.
Here comes V and a little Honda.
I've got a first generation, thank you.
I just don't get it. But each to their own, you know, like you want to drive a Honda, drive a Honda. Zero interest. I'd nearly rather drive an electric car.
Oh, yeah. No, that's just rude.
That's why I said it. Sometimes you just got to know where the Civics stand. Making this look very, very hard, Ollie. Put the bolts back where the bolts are. Only thing is I'm going to have a couple of holes down the bottom down here that I don't really want. Which way did that go? I can't remember. Yes. See, I was right. We'll eye this in with our eyes. It doesn't really look like it's in line, does it?
You look at it from the right angle.
Flat out, yeah. I do have a level. It's over here I used when I was hanging hooks, so I'm not just a hack. Oh. You tell me, right? Have a look at that. Do you know how to read one of them? Does that look all right?
Oh, a little to the right. No, it looks pretty bang on.
Yeah, not sure how level that level is, but it looks pretty level to me. Pull that off so when we tighten them, that doesn't change. Question is, do we put another 2 in there? Probably should, because it's a bit heavier than the last one, and we had 2 in there. I'm just gonna have to put some silicone over them. Moment of truth. It's actually easier than the other one. And I had Jace helping me with the other one. This is unreal. Pretty sure that's on there. Now we hook up our gun and then we get to work. I did not plan that, but that was pretty good. What the hell?
I can't believe that. I'm stunned at the timing of that.
That was pretty fun. That was pretty good, wasn't it? Gun holder is over here by the look of it. Yep. Oh, look at that. Look how good that looks. Much more cleaner. This should be the same. That is so much easier than the last one. Not that was hard, unreal. I didn't just drill that into the iron either. There's timber behind there, okay? For all you internet sleuths, whatever you call it. So these are all different PSI. So that says 15, I reckon, and you just chuck them in here. 25. Truck isn't that, you know? It must be friend. 40 PSI, which is the one that I reckon I'll use the most on our paid actor over there. But we've got them all lined up like that. Tricked you. Assembling a sniper rifle. All right, now, instead of doing that, what I will do, just let that hang there for a minute. Get the other bit, which you do this for the snow cannon, which I prepared earlier. Extreme snow. Pretty tricky, eh? Just use a lot of that. Turn that on. One of the best things about these is that those clip-on points. You don't have to screw them on. Come over here. It's easy as that. And then pull that one off, place it in the bottle holder. We let that settle in and do its work and get rid of all the grime and all that sort of stuff for a minute, because I'm pretty buggered. Let's let that hang there. Lunch break. I was gonna say, these are the wrong ones.
The family size only comes in those. They don't come in the retro mix.
Bloody wrong.
He's a professional athlete. Yeah.
No, I'm not.
Just athlete now.
We'll do the 40 PSI, I think that's what it is, stands for. Clips in like so. Sorry mate, I did not mean to do that. Give it that extra bit. How you clean your tyres. And there you go. Let's see how far we can go with this. We'll go for a walk down the hill here, eh? More? Yeah. Far out. That's not bad. Use it to water the garden as well. The succulents. Bloody love it. And this is the best bit. And just like that. Now onto the vacuum. Told you we weren't gonna need that. Don't tell me, I know boats. Now, snack time. Haven't had lunch yet, because you guys are busy.
Sorry.
Next unboxing on. Oh, this one's got a template. Quick flick. Yep. Got it. What on earth are they for? Where'd you throw that bloody instructions, Ollie?
Fat finger those screws so hard.
Oh. You're barking up the wrong tree. Thing's massive. Right on. Maintain peak performance. Swap out the sponge in the muffler every 3 to 6 years. It says months. All the accessories are in the dirt tank. I was like, oh, maybe you have to buy them separately. No, it all comes in the dirt tank, people. Oh, okay, maybe. Yes, that's the way it goes, I reckon. Maybe we will use this, make it a little bit easier. It's a nice starting point. So that goes just straight over like that. No time like the present. All right. I reckon we're in. And look at that, right above the power point. We'll have a big cleanup after this. Let's just drill it in and then find level later. Don't you laugh at me. No. That ain't going nowhere, I don't think. Yeah, it's level. Level-ish. I got it right. Can you believe I actually got that right? These must have gone on the top. So where does that one go then? Oh, right there. That's what the little screws are for. It's all coming together now, I think. You see how high it is? Because it's my house. Thank you very much. I think we're pretty well sorted there. Then why'd someone put this up so high? It is quite high. Come here, Owen. Come on. Come here. Oh, look at that. You reckon you'd like that? Oh, you do like it, don't you? Oh, yeah. This is perfect. I can go get all the bloody cobwebs in this joint. What I'll do is I'll pull it. Ah. This is actually good. How good. Set. Now that I've got them all hooked up, both of them, the difference between this one and the smaller one, like this one was a lot easier to sort of install. Not that that one was hard, but it was just basically 4 bolts instead of like having, because that one has a swivel arm, which is great, but this one is bigger, longer hose, so I can get right to the end of my driveway and end of the shed. Bit more power in this one as well, I've just picked up, which is awesome, but simplicity, easy to use, easy to store. I'll get a little cover for this as well, like I did the last one, but hand in hand, they're both great machines. That one I'm still going to use, obviously going to take it down to the warehouse and use it to clean up all the rubber off the back of the Monaro. And this one's going to be used to clean my shed, clean my cars, my dirt bikes, my mountain bikes, my little tractor, Kubota tractor, possibly even Owen. He definitely doesn't mind the old vacuum, don't you, mate? Hey? Because look at all this bloody hair coming off you. That's all in there. All right, guys, now if you want your one, I actually have a code and it's Dixon. And if you're looking for $30 off your next purchase of a pressure washer or the vacuum or both, use my promo code Dixon, D-I-X-O-N, no S, no C-K-O-S-N, or whatever crap it is, it's Dixon. How it looks, how it's spelled is how it is. So jump on there and get your $30 off, guys. These things are unreal, so simple. You're not spending half an hour trying to wind up your bloody pressure washer, and they come with all the stuff that you need to install them. If I can do it, bloody anyone can do it. Maybe you can get yours a little bit leveler than what my vacuum is, but hey, check them out, guys. They're awesome. I love it. I've got 2, 3, let's count the vacuum.